Hi there, students. A yuppie. A yuppie. Okay, so a yuppie, this comes from an acronym, Young Urban Professional, or Young Upwardly Mobile Professional. A yuppie. And this phrase was first used in the 1980s to talk about young professional people, professionals, lawyers, accountants, scientists, business managers, things like that, who were working in a city. Yeah, and originally when it started, it was rather neutral. But then there was a backlash against the yuppies. And people began to see this as a criticism. People who were gentrifying or taking over traditional neighborhoods, or changing the way life was lived in traditional areas. Yeah. And I think it was first printed in Chicago Magazine in 1980 by a guy called Dan Rottenberg. Yeah, but so a yuppie. This is somebody who is young, they live in a city, they earn a lot of money, and they spend it doing fashionable things and buying expensive possessions. Yeah, so nowadays a yuppie, calling somebody a yuppie, this is criticism. Yeah, they're just yuppies with more money than they know what to do with. They've got more money than sense. So it's a young person, they're well educated, they're successful in business, and their lifestyle is just spend, conspicuous consumption. Yeah, so this is to do with fashion. Yeah, people who are obsessed with material objects and financial success. And clearly, there is more to life than just being rich and showing everybody how much money you've got. Yeah, the Porsche that's parked outside of his house shows that he's still a yuppie. I think maybe in parts of China, some parts of China in the big cities, you will see Porsches and expensive cars parked everywhere on the streets. And I think at the moment being a yuppie is the in thing in China, although I'm sure at some point there will be a backlash against that. Yeah, so a yuppie, college educated, well paid professional job, earning lots of money. Yeah, or a person yuppie values. He's got nothing but yuppie values. There's also actually another interesting phrase that is linked with this: yuppie flu, or the yuppie disease. This is symptoms that people get from stress. Yeah, a set of disorders that are associated with stress. Either you're tired all the time, you feel weak in your muscles, you feel depressed, and that's yuppie flu. So yeah, these yuppies, they're working really hard, so they've got lots of money so they can buy the newest and latest thing, but they're also really stressed out about it. Yeah, which then is not good for your health. Okay, so a yuppie. Formality. I think 3.5 to 4. I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation. I guess you could use it in a semi-formal writing. I'm not sure I would use it in something very formal. Use urban professional, young urban professional in something very formal. And then, yeah, as I said, the origin, it comes from the acronym Young Urban Professional, or Young Upwardly Mobile Professional. Yeah, so it stands for the letters. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Yuppie.